The middle class is disappearing, and it's happening faster than you think. If you're feeling like your paycheck isn't stretching as far as it used to, it's not your imagination. But here's the real question. Will you rise above or get crushed with the crowd? Stick around, because today, I'm showing you how to escape the trap before it's too late. Over the last 30 years, the middle class, once the pride of countries like the US, Canada, and Europe, has been shrinking. Wages have stayed mostly flat, while housing, healthcare, and education have exploded in price. In the U.S., median wages adjusted for inflation have barely risen since the 1970s, but college tuition is up by over 400%. Meanwhile, the ultra-wealthy, they're skyrocketing. This creates a growing wealth gap where the middle slowly collapses into the lower class, unless they play smart. Comment below. Do you feel like life today is harder financially than it was for your parents? Yes or no? I want to hear your thoughts. The core reason most people get trapped is because they stay passive. Passive about building new skills. Passive about investing early. Passive about adapting to new realities. And the brutal truth? If you rely only on your salary, inflation will eat your future alive. That's why today's survival skill isn't just working hard. It's building multiple income streams, investing earlier, and learning faster than the system can trap you. There are 3 things you must start doing. First, invest automatically, even if it's just $20 a week. Compounding is your silent weapon. Second, develop high-value skills at scale, like AI, digital marketing, coding, or finance. Third, stay lean early. Control lifestyle inflation. Don't flex. Invest. You don't have to be rich yet. You just have to be smarter than average. Comment below, which one of these 3 will you start focusing on this week? I'll reply to a few and give you some ideas to start. The middle class is shrinking, but you don't have to go down with it. Choose differently. Start now. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff money growth strategies. Stay sharp.